so I just got every single iPhone 17 model plus a bunch of accessories here to check out. Super exciting day. In this video, I'm gonna give you guys my first-hand experience with the iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, as well as the iPhone Air. So let's go ahead and unbox these things. iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange. Whoa. Oh man, I don't know what to think. Man, I was really excited for this color. This, it definitely is something. Oh my God. This is orange. So, okay, so in like the videos and photos, I don't know if it's conveying this properly enough, but like in photos and videos, this thing comes off as a little like, it's a little more pastel-y, almost orange, but when you see this face to face in person, it's orange. It's like neon orange, okay? Here's the thing, when has Apple ever done fun colors for their Pro models? Like this is like the first year, and what if it's the only year? What if they never bring back cool fun colors again? You have your braided USB-C cable, of course, in the box, and that's about it. I don't think you get any stickers or anything like that. Apple pretty much got rid of all of that. Yeah, like that's all it is. A couple quick thoughts on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This year, now actually with this aluminum unibody design, it does feel a lot better to hold in your hand. Like I can't explain it. So I have my iPhone 16 Pro here. The edges and everything here are so much sharper compared to the edges on this. The nice rounded edges and everything definitely makes the phone much more comfortable in your hand. So I'm gonna go ahead right off the bat and say that. I remember last year going with the 16 Pro Max, the edges and everything made the phone feel a lot more bulkier, a lot more sharper, and definitely a big decision if you wanted to go with the larger size, which is why I went with the Pro last year. This year, I mean, things might be different because this Pro Max feels so much more comfortable in your hands. If you're on the fence with the Pro Max, this year might be the year to actually go Pro Max because the phone definitely feels much more manageable in your hand. You know, we always do the Pro versus Pro Max video, so make sure you guys are subbed for that. Also, all the colors is a big deal on this channel. We're gonna be getting all the colors, so make sure you guys are subbed for that as well. And yeah, you have this like almost two-tone look on this orange, which is not bad, man, not bad. It's definitely out there, but it's grown on me quite a bit just since I've been holding this phone. The real question is, will this stand the test of time? Because I don't know if I'm gonna get bored of it after, you know, a few months. Is it gonna get too much? The next thing I'm really excited to take a look at is the iPhone Air. Now, this is a brand new design this year. Now, the only problem is with the iPhone Air, there's a couple things that kind of bother me, and that is that we don't have that speaker system on the bottom, so you don't get a stereo speaker sound. Now, you might be thinking, do we actually use the speakers on the phone a lot? I actually do, like every day, a lot. I watch a lot of YouTube videos on it, and I just literally have my phone out with me. I don't usually wear headphones. Also, no ultra wide camera. That's gonna be tough. Here goes. First initial reactions of holding the Air. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I don't think, guys, like the camera is not doing this justice. Oh, wow. This is it. Honestly, I might switch to the Air. I gotta say, this is, it feels so nice to hold. Like, I almost wanna just give up all the cameras and everything and just go with the Air just because of how nice and light this is. I love the shiny edges. Now, obviously we're gonna get tons of fingerprints also around the sides here. This is the white iPhone 17 Air. Dude, I'm really digging it. Also guys, holy crap, I just realized this is not white. The whole time I've been thinking this is white. This is actually light gold. Well, that should go ahead and tell you how close these colors are. Now that I look at the sides, they are slightly goldish, I guess. But yeah, this is white. This is light gold. It's something to behold, I'm telling you guys. And the thing is, you get the same A19 Pro chip from the Pro model in the actual iPhone Air as well. Now, one thing a lot of people are concerned about is battery life, but surprisingly, they said that the battery life on this is equivalent to the battery life on the iPhone 16 Pro. I struggle with battery. By the end of the day, I have to charge it, otherwise I'm running out of juice. So If it's giving me about the same amount of battery, honestly, I might not mind because I'm already kind of used to it and having to charge it. And if this is gonna get me there throughout most of the day, I might sacrifice it just to get this really nice shape. Look, if you're not somebody who's into like having multiple camera systems and all that stuff, I think this might just be the perfect phone. Before we take a look at unbox the accessories, let's go ahead and unbox the iPhone 17. Now, a lot of you guys might be wondering which iPhone to buy, and I think honestly, like 90% of you guys should consider this iPhone. Apple just went crazy with the iPhone 17 this year. Ooh, this sage colorway. Man, this is hitting. Apple rocked the colors this year. I love this color. Yeah, I think, so Apple asked me which colors I wanted to check out, and these were the exact colors I chose, and I'm so grateful that they sent me those exact colors, because I was on the fence between the blue, I think it's like mist blue, and the sage. I'm very happy I went with the sage. Very nice, very nicely done. I love how the camera bump has this two-tone. I think Apple absolutely cooked with the iPhone 17 this year. Fun thing to know also, it's pretty much the same size as the last year's iPhone 16, but you get slightly larger screen size. I think last year it was like 6.1 inches. This year we get 6.3 inches, so you get more screen size because the bezels have now shrunken even more. The experience is just gonna be fantastic. And they finally brought ProMotion 120 Hertz to the base model iPhone. Can we get a oh yeah? Guys, we've been asking for this. We've been complaining about this for literally years. Officially, I think I'm gonna go ahead and recommend the iPhone 17, even without looking at any of these other iPhones or accessories or anything. I know, hands down, the iPhone 17 is the best bang for buck, right? You're getting a really nice camera system. You get the ultra wide, you get the wide angle, both 48 megapixels. You get the ProMotion, the 3000 nits of brightness. You get the same exact quality screen that you're getting on the Pro models. This is the first time Apple has done this because it's always been a downgrade in terms of screen and everything with the regular base model iPhones. This year, no more. We have Pro model specs on a base model iPhone. This is absolutely stacked. The phone also feels really nice in your hands. It's a really good size, the 6.3 inches. I think Apple cooked. Let me do a quick comparison thoughts between this and the iPhone Air. I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, like if you have the money and you don't care about that bottom speaker, although I don't know, that's a tough one to lose, man. I don't know. I'm just saying, hot take here. I think if you have the extra 200 bucks or whatever it is to spare, I would go as far as to say that I really think you should go with the Air. Okay, this is a hot take. I know people are gonna be like, dude, are you kidding me? I really think so. Why? Well, number one, you get slightly better screen size. I think the 6.5 inch is perfect. Like you put them all side by side together, there you go. Like you get slightly step up every step of the way, but I think this middle, the iPhone Air, is the perfect screen size. I think 6.5 inches is like phenomenal. They also mentioned in terms of durability, this is not gonna bend. Like I've literally been, like I'm literally trying to bend this, which I probably shouldn't. Like I'm putting a lot of force. I'm not able to. Like this thing is so well made because this is the only iPhone right now that's made of titanium, I believe, into this year's lineup. Like I'm telling you right now, holding this phone, just don't take my word for it. Go to the actual Apple store, pick up this phone, try it out, test it out. Like the user experience of this is unlike anything else. And the thing is, I don't know. Next year, what if they get rid of the iPhone Air and just bring out the iPhone Fold? They brought the 16 Plus for like a year, took it out. They brought like the Mini for like a year or two, took it out. So Air, I mean, anything's on the chopping board with Apple. So go ahead, try out the Air. I can guarantee you're gonna be actually astonished when you hold and use this phone. It's just that good. But if you're like me, use your phone for a lot of content. You film on your phone a lot. This thing is gonna be an absolute juggernaut because all three lenses are 48 megapixel, giving you 8x telephoto zoom lens with this. I think it's gonna be an absolute blast to use this year. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and open some of the accessories now. Pro Max clear case. Let's see what the clear case feels like. Clear case this year also has this white thing, although I don't know, like, do I kind of wanna see the orange, which is gonna get somewhat hidden? Yeah, I don't know about that. This makes your phone kind of White and orange. I don't know how I feel about this. The clear case is nice. I just wish they didn't put this white, whatever it is, pattern or display on the back here. I don't know. What do you guys think, chat? I want to take a look at this new tech woven material. So this is the tech woven wallet. Ooh, I like this color. Let's see what this material. This is an interesting feeling material. I will say that. I don't know, it almost feels like suede, but like a waterproof suede. I don't know if that makes sense, but does it scratch is the big concern that I have. I think if like I rub it hard enough. No, yeah, you can still see it. The scratches is what's gonna bother me, I think. If you're getting the iPhone 17, definitely consider the Sage. The Sage is so nice. This case is so nice too, man. Apple makes some of the best silicone cases, hands down. Oh yeah, this is such a good feeling phone. It's a good experience. With the silicone case, go Sage with this sage green silicone case. This is Sage on Sage. It looks really nice. Let's take a look at the iPhone Air cases. Like if you're gonna get the iPhone Air, are you gonna throw a case on there? Because if you are, it might defeat the purpose of the iPhone Air. Does it? No, it still feels extremely thin, much thinner than what I've ever been used to on a phone, except for this S25 Edge, but this phone is actually thinner than the S25 Edge. Even with the case on, yeah, no, it still feels incredibly thin and incredibly nice to use. And last but not least, let's take a look at the bumper. It's just basically like a complete, just a bumper, like the name suggests, I guess. This is nice. I like this. One thing to note though, it doesn't actually cover your camera. So if you do drop your phone flat, like you could still break your camera. Still leave the back here. You can enjoy looking at your back. You can enjoy feeling the back of your phone. I think if you're gonna go with the iPhone Air, I would just go ahead and include the cost of Apple Care. I would go caseless with this phone. I would definitely go caseless with the iPhone Air. I forgot to unbox this guy, which is the crossbody strap. The only downside is anytime you're not using the strap, you just have your phone looking like this. It's like two little like antenna things on here. Go ahead and throw it on the side. It's like a solid like accessory, dude. I like it. Hello? Yeah, how you doing? And then when you're done the call, let it just hang back down. I like it. I don't know, let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys picking up one of the new iPhones? And if so, which one are you guys picking up? The iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Air, or the Pro or Pro Max? And which color are you guys going with? Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. We're gonna be looking at a whole bunch of stuff. I'm gonna be comparing all the colors for every model. I'm gonna be looking at the cases. I'm gonna be comparing the models across the board after actually using them. So tons more coming on the channel. Make sure you guys are subbed. Until the next video, I will see you guys in one of these two videos.